बेसिकली चंडीगढ़ से हूँ. बॉम्बे 2 years बैक आई थ्रू सम मॉडलिंग असाइनमेंट्स एंड अपनी ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कर चुकी थी बाय दैट टाइम. तो पेरेंट्स ने जाने दिया मुझे अपने ड्रीम्स, टू लिव माई ओन ड्रीम्स, एंड फ्रॉम देयर इट स्टार्टेड ऑल. एंड आई लव डांसिंग. आई एम अ लिटिल फूडी. I love to go out shop, and that's what I am. I'm quite a bubbly person as an individual, and I love to live my life. आरपी पटनायक जी को जानते होंगे, जो म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर हैं. जो हमारे मूवी के प्रोड्यूसर हैं मिस्टर माधव पटनायक. आरपी पटनायक जी उनके कज़न हैं. So somehow my pictures were already in the market because I was doing a lot of work in terms of modeling ads, print ads, and I also did a show called Nachle Ve with Saroj Khan on NDTV. Imagine, I was a runner-up. तो उसकी वजह से थोड़ा मैं नोटिस हुई थी. लोगों ने मुझे डांस करते देखा था एंड ऑल दैट. इन लोगों ने भी देखा था. एंड आरपी पटनायक जी को मेरी कहीं से पिक्चर्स मिली, और ये लोग जो कैरेक्टर ढूंढ रहे थे, एक लड़की विच कैन लुक अ लिटिल innocent, simple, homely girl. At the same time, in songs, they wanted to project this girl as a glamorous girl also. तो ऐसा कुछ ढूंढ रहे थे, and I think they thought that I can do justice to it. तो फिर ये लोग बॉम्बे आए, मुझसे मिले, मेरा ऑडिशन भी लिया, 2 scenes करवाए डिफरेंट, and फिर क्लैपिंग भी की मेरे लिए, और that's how I'm here.
Lala, oh Lala, నీ స్మైలే నాయకరా, స్టైలే చూస్తుంటే గుండెల్లో భాంగురా.
You are my दिल का चोरा, అయిపోయాలే तुम्हारा.
मैं तुमसे लकी यारा, నువ్వే నా चॉकोबारा.
इस मूवी में बहुत ही सिंपल घरेलू, the most simple Indian girl. This is what I am projecting myself in the movie. कैसे शी इज़ लॉयल टू एवरीथिंग अराउंड हर. कैसे वो घरेलू होते हुए भी उसकी वैल्यूज़ इतनी हाई हैं, और वो कैसे परिवार को बांध के रखती है, कैसे अपनी वैल्यूज़ को बांध के रखती है. एंड जस्ट अ वेरी सिंपल नाइस होमली गर्ल. एनी गाय वांट टू फॉल इन लव विद दिस गर्ल. दिस इज़ अ बेसिक स्केच ऑफ माई कैरेक्टर. एक्टिंग में जा रही थी, वो ऑलरेडी एक रिस्क था, बिकॉज मैंने कभी एक्टिंग की नहीं थी, मेरा कोई बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, एक्टिंग बैकग्राउंड नहीं है. तो दिस वॉज ऑब्वियसली अ रिस्क. ईच स्टेप इन लाइफ इज़ अ रिस्क. एनी टाइम व्हेन यू टेकिंग अ डिसीजन, इट्स अ रिस्क. बट आई थिंक द मेन पॉजिटिव पॉइंट अबाउट दिस फिल्म वॉज द स्टोरी, और इनके जो डायरेक्टर हैं हमारे, who has done a major good job in the industry. So I put my trust in him and in God, and I just came through. And it was a absolutely wonderful experience, क्योंकि जो newcomers भी है मेरे अलावा भी, they have done a very good job. और मुझे कभी महसूस नहीं हुआ, मैं इनफैक्ट उन लोगों से इन टर्म्स ऑफ डायलॉग्स और छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो मुझे बीइंग अ डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज गर्ल प्रॉब्लम होती थी, दे यूज्ड टू हेल्प मी. So in fact, I would say they were better ahead with me in this film. So it was pleasure, and ऐसा कुछ problem नहीं, ऐसी कोई मुझे problem नहीं हुई.
Tingy 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 up, tingy 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 up. Make a move it up, make a move it up. Tingy 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 up, na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
He is, I think, it is a director's movie, because हम सारे जो है, we are all new faces in this film, except the few senior directors like Brahmanandam and all, of course, with their help, we could also do better in this film. और उन्होंने जिस तरीके से हमारी परफॉर्मेंस पुल आउट की है हम में से, बिकॉज like me, there were other few also who were not trained. Of course, few of them are trained, who've done trainings and all, but I have not done any training except I've done some stage plays and stuff because I was always very keen on performing on stage. So I've done some plays and थोड़ा बहुत पता था, but इतना नहीं आता था कि how to be in front of a film camera. That's an absolutely different thing, a stage performance and a film camera. He, being such a nice director, and he there was a comfort zone that he created, जिसकी वजह से एक टेक, 2 टेक, 3 टेक्स वो आके बोलते थे कि why are you getting stressed, क्योंकि मेरा कभी कभी ब्लड प्रेशर शूट हो जाता था. वो 1 पेज का 2 पेज का जब तेलुगु का डायलॉग मुझे मिलते थे एक रात पहले, कभी कभी सेम डे सुबह, तो थोड़ा सा मैं नर्वस हो जाती थी. बट ही वॉज एब्सोल्युटली वंडरफुल. द वे ही इज पुल्ड आउट आवर परफॉर्मेंस इज ग्रेट.
డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, కాలేజ్లో చేరినప్పుడు జోరు, చదివేటప్పుడు బోరు, చీకటి పడితే బీరు. దిస్ ఈస్ ద లైఫ్ స్టైల్ ఆఫ్ ఎ కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్. Am I right?
पहले तो मुझे ना बोलना आता था और ना समझती थी. It was like both the ways I was bad. But अभी धीरे धीरे when 2 people are talking, I can understand everything what they're talking. अभी उतनी अच्छी नहीं हुई हूँ कि मैं बोल नहीं पाती हूँ. If I read like couple of lines again and again, तो I get a flow of it कि क्या कह रही हूँ मैं और किस तरीके से कहना है. But अभी भी मैं बोल नहीं पाती हूँ. But very soon, I think couple of movies ago, after that I'll definitely be speaking Telugu very soon. I can understand it by now.
చూపులే చమ్మా చమ్మా రే సగరే ముసోపులే చమ్మా చమ్మా రే మనసు పడితే మాయా వస్తుంది అరే చమ్మా.
वो तो आपने सुना ही होगा. आई थिंक कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. द सॉन्ग्स आर वेरी बिग प्लस पॉइंट. लाइक दैट्स अ वेरी वेरी बिग प्लस पॉइंट इन दिस मूवी. ऑल द सॉन्ग्स आर वेरी डिफरेंट, are very pepped up numbers. Especially my favorite is the Pathos song in this film, which is a sad song, but it's got a lot of power. And all the other songs, none of these songs are not, I would not rate them less. All of them are very good. She's done a great job.
Tingy 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 up, tingy 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 up. Make a move it up, make a move it up. Tingy 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 up, na 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 na.
I told you this Pathos song, and in fact there's one song which is my and the me and Nischal are performing for the song, the love song, Saira Su Saira.
Saira Su Saira Su Saira Sainura. Love you, I love you so much, I love you right.
Laila, oh Laila, నీ స్మైలే నాయకరా, స్టైలే చూస్తుంటే గుండెల్లో భాంగురా.
You are my दिल का चोरा, అయిపోయాలే తుమ్హారా.
मैं तुमसे लकी यारा, నువ్వే నా చోకోబారా.
Nischal is also very sweet, very calm and quiet initially few days, so we didn't even start talking to each other because I am also initially a bit silent and a quiet person, and later then when I come to my own character, I am very bubbly. He's a little on a silent side, but slowly I got to know he's such a fantastic person. We've got no ego issues, like even in working, like sometimes it happens. We never had any ego issues. Even if I'm taking a lot of takes, he's so patiently helping me out in dialogues sometimes, in dancing sometimes. We've been help to each other, been a big support to each other, because in Bangkok, etc., like we were the only one there shooting day and night. So that comfort zone was very important, and I think it was there. He's the sweetest person, really.
గని గని చిలిపి పరమని అలపుల గని అడగని
జరగని గని పెదవియరు గని మధువుల గని కరగని.
నీలోనే ఉన్నది మన్మథ గని, నీ అమ్మ కన్నది వజ్రపు గని.
हम लोग ने पटाया में कुछ आइलैंड्स पे शूट किया है. जो मेरा सोलो सॉन्ग है उसमें हमने आइलैंड्स देयर वाज नो वन देयर एंड आइसोलेटेड आइलैंड्स थे, और इतनी गर्मी थी, लाइक 55 डिग्री का टेम्परेचर, एंड हम लोग वो समंदर के किनारे, बट गर्मी होते हुए काम कर रहे हैं, बट मज़ा आ रहा था, एंड इट वाज सो ब्यूटीफुल. लग रहा था कि कोई हेवन में हम लोग पहुंच गए. इट वाज लाइक अ ब्यूटीफुल स्वर्ग. I've never been to Bangkok. It was for the first time I went there, and 2 बार जाने को मिला वो भी. So it was too good.
పీచే స్కోర్ సెల్ నంబర్, దోచే స్కోర్ నా గ్లామర్, సంథింగ్ నువ్వు చేసే షురు, నా సోకేర సో సూపర్, స్కెచ్ వేయరా గిచ్చి వెళ్ళరా, స్కాచ్ లాగా నన్ను తాగరా, రావేర కన్ని పిల్లని క్యాచ్ పట్టరా.
Basically, it's more, this lifestyle is something which has 2 factors. One is love, one is friendship. It starts with friendship, then it gradually goes on to love part. When I enter, जब मेरी एंट्री होती है 20-25 मिनट के बाद मूवी में, तो things change. Nischal's life just changes, and how his friends, me, we are all interconnected through certain level of trust. There's a lot of love factor, there's a lot of emotional drama, there's a lot of sacrifice shown in the movie, is what the basic plot is. It's a very interesting story. I don't want to say much because for that they have to watch the movie. So rather have this all see in the theater. I want to really do all types of possible roles that I can do, all different types of roles, whether it is of a bubbly girl or a very homely girl that I have already done here, a glamorous college girl, or a teenager girl, or an action girl. I think I will look forward every time to do something new, because I think I can. So I will experiment myself doing all these different kind of roles.
గని గని చిలిపి పరమని పలపుల గని అడగని
చెరగని గని పెదవియరు గని మధువుల గని కరగని
నీలోనే ఉన్నది మన్మథ గని నీ అమ్మ కన్నది వజ్రపు గని.
I have already done one movie in Malayalam by now, and looking forward to do again others in Telugu. So as of now I can't disclose anything. There are things in pipeline, but very soon we'll get to know.
Sarasu sarasu sarasanu love you, I love you so much, I love you
లైలా ఓ లైలా నీ స్మైలే నాయకరా స్టైలే చూస్తుంటే గుండెల్లో భాంగురా
You are my dil ka chora, అయిపోయాలే tumhara.
मैं तुमसे लव कियारा నువ్వే నా చాకోబారా
Make my day, go and watch this film. It's a beautiful film. It's for all segments of people. It's for children, it's for elders, it's for youngsters. That's the basic plus point of this movie. A lot of hopes from this movie. Go and watch this film, and I want to serve you again and want to see how you feel about me. So give good reviews. That's it. Thank you.